What if you want to buy and hold stocks for the long term? New investors are often attracted to investing for the short term, perhaps to pocket instant profits. However, seasoned investors know that the market pays a massive return only when you invest for the long run. Without caring for the ups and downs or the hyped drama, investors are peaceful about long-term investments. But what are the stocks you can buy and hold for the long term? What are those stocks whose value will increase with time and will offer a handsome return to you? Honestly, many giant companies are offering these types of stocks. You can often get confused if you try to find the best ones. Therefore, in this video, we will tell you about the top 5 stocks for long-term investing. Watch this video until the end to know the top stock on the list. Let's get started. Number 5. Dollar General Corporation. One of the best criteria to know whether a stock is perfect for the long term or not is to see its PE ratio. The PE ratio is the ratio of a stock's price to that stock's earnings. Therefore, a company with a low PE ratio suggests that its earnings are approaching the price of the stock, and hence it's highly profitable. Dollar General Corporation stands in the 5th position in terms of the PE ratio, which is 19.4. Its earnings per share in the last 5 years have averaged 17.9%, which is phenomenal. It even also outpaced the S&P 500 gains by an average of 16.4% per year in the last 5 years, becoming one of the best stocks for the long term. In the real-world case, Dollar General is one of the largest U.S. discount retailers, with over 18,000 stores across 47 states. The reason why Dollar General Corporation brings higher returns is that its stores are located in small regions that Walmart cannot reach. Number 4. Integris Incorporated. The biggest reason why Integris will stay and grow forever is that it's a supplier of materials and technology to the semiconductor industry. Since the world is shifting to technology and the technological boom will skyrocket even further, semiconductors' demand will multiply, and so will the Integris price and returns. With a PE ratio of 19 and earnings per share of 32.1% in the last 5 years, Integris promises increasing returns for years to come. Compared to the S&P 500, Integris has outpaced it by an average of 16.8% per year in the last 5 years. All of this makes Integris the 4th best stock to buy for long-term investing. Before we continue further, tell us, are you loving this video? If yes, please like and share the video, and subscribe to our channel for more exclusive videos about the stock market and investment. Let's now continue. Number 3. Tractor Supply Company. Tractor Supply Company is directly linked to staple food, which is the biggest reason it will keep pulling revenues. It's the largest retail operator of farm stores in the US, focusing on home improvement, lawn and garden, and recreational farmers. All of this makes it a company that will stay as long as farms and the food industry does. Regarding the indicators, Tractor Supply Company has a PE ratio of 18.2, while the earnings per share in the last 5 years have averaged 22.3%. It even outperformed the S&P 500 by more than 16% per year over the last 5 years. That's not all though. It also offers a 1.9% dividend yield, giving the investors a reason to keep the investment long-term and pocket the incoming dividends. Number 2. Taiwan Semiconductor Manufacturing Company Limited. Taiwan Semiconductor is the largest semiconductor producer in the world, fulfilling 54% of the global demand. Every tech gadget that you are using might have semiconductors produced by this company. Taiwan Semiconductor Manufacturing Company has offered great returns in the past, but the prospects for the future are way more attractive. With electric vehicles relying heavily on semiconductors, this company will get the opportunity to multiply its revenue. Currently, Taiwan Semiconductor has a PE ratio of 12.4, the second best in the world. The earnings per share have stayed at 16.8% in the past 5 years. TSM also offers a dividend yield of 2.4%, while the payouts have increased for many years. All of this makes it the second best stock to consider for long-term investment. And number 1, Broadcom Incorporated. Broadcom tops the list with a PE ratio of 12.2 and earnings per share of 77.4% in the past 5 years. The reason for that is, Broadcom is a diversified semiconductor manufacturer formed after merging Avago and Broadcom. Today, it produces all kinds of microchips used in all tech gadgets, from smartphones, smart televisions, and other wireless devices. One of the reasons why Broadcom is the best long-term investment is that analysts expect the earnings per share to grow by 15.2% per year over the next 5 years. Which of these stocks did you find the most attractive? Before you invest, know that these are the most profitable in terms of returns, as their history shows. Comment right below in the comments section. Do you know any other stocks suitable for long-term investment? Do you want to watch more videos like this one? If yes, please like and share the video, and subscribe to our channel for more videos on investment insights and the stock market. Until the next video, stay tuned!